Hello, and welcome to my video on how to make more money working less in 2022. So you're putting so much time applying strategies that don't work anymore. Your spouse wants more family time. You feel like you're wasting precious time, which equals life. Well, in a moment, I'm going to show you how you can create an asset that will work for you even if you are sleeping. So we are in a digital area, the information era. So these are some things that I've been learning, I've been applying, and I want to share with you because that's my purpose, to help you to have more quality time. Your business thrives, you get more profit, and in the end, you are more happy with your family or whatever your goal is. Okay, so I'm gonna go right to the point because time is value, and I appreciate your time. So first of all, I wanna apologize in advance because English, as you can see, is not my first language. I'm from Mexico, so I'm doing my best to communicate this to you, I mean. So, okay, here are some solutions. First, we are in a digital era, the information era. What we can do is work on assets that will work for you 24/7, like YouTube videos. You do it once and that thing is gonna be working for you forever, okay? As long as you keep it there and you share it, it's gonna be working for you. So you have to do it just once, do it good. I mean, always focusing on the value that you deliver, and then the rest is done. Okay, so you have to work very focused for 1 to 2 hours a day with ideas and making videos. Okay, you have to be thinking on who is your ideal customer. Think about their pains, their goals, and deliver just value solutions to them. Okay, nowadays it's really easy to connect with other people or prospects because of the internet. So if you've been like hesitating about doing videos, in some next videos that I'm going to do, I'm gonna share with you, if you're like shy on camera like me, you can do videos without showing your face. Okay, so if that's it's gonna help you, just leave me a comment and I'll work on that for you. Another thing is that you have to create something that will be there for years to come, like videos. It could be a PDF, could be a I don't know, some type of digital information. So you have to do it once and that thing is gonna work for you always without calling sick. So let me know in the comments if you're been wanting to do this kind of stuff. What are your maybe your fears, or what have you been, why have you been postponing this? Maybe you want to have more strategies, more knowledge, or something. Just let me know here in the comments so I can help you. So if this video helped you a little bit, just a tiny bit, to open up a little, to open up your mind a little bit, maybe this can be a brainstorm kind of thing. So this ignites some ideas for you. Please subscribe to this channel, help me with this. This video can be the ignition to new projects for more entrepreneurs like you and me, and I'll appreciate that. Thank you. Give it a like, and we'll keep in touch. I'm going to do more videos in the future just to help you. So thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.